Do you know what's the connection between the noises we hear and this ring? I'll show you. Our sensory system is part of our nervous system and captures both external and internal stimulus, converting the impulses and sending them to our brain, where all the information is processed and transformed into sensations. I'll explain it better. Follow me. For example, when we hear traffic sounds, we get irritated, stressed, and even anxious. This happens because disturbing sounds elevate the cortisol levels, the stress hormone. When we have contact with auditory stimulus, the mechanic waves are received by the incus, stapes, and malleus, the ossicles from the middle ear, causing their eardrum to vibrate. The impulse is then sent to the cochlea, where the hair cells will decode their frequency ranges, converting the impulse from a mechanic to an electric impulse. These impulses then travel to the brain through the auditory nerve, passing through the thalamus and reaching the auditory cortex. After being processed, the stimulus go to the Wernicke's area, in which will be interpreted, meaning that you, instead of just hearing the noise, will now identify and understand it. So then your brain will link the stimulus you just received with experiences and consequently emotions you already know. And where do emotions come from? Emotions are not located in specific brain structures. Instead, the brain combines past experiences, sensations, and the current situation. These emotional concepts are shaped by how the body feels and how it reacts. And what does this have to do with the ring? Emotions help keep the body in balance. For example, being near someone you love might raise your heart rate and body temperature. To cool down, your body might make you blush, sending more blood to your cheeks to release heat. This physical response gets linked to the emotion and the situation. Okay, what about the ring? Mood rings are made of thermochromic liquid crystals. Thermochromic crystals change color in response to the temperature changes due to their structure and interaction with light. They consist of molecules that shift between an ordered and disordered state, affecting how they reflect the light. The shifting molecular arrangement alters the wavelength of light that is being reflected, resulting in a visible color change. Well, it looks like I'm stressed, or maybe it's just cold outside. That was the lesson for today. Hope you learned anything new. Bye, see you next time.